What is fluconazole? Fluconazole is an antifungal medicine used to treat and prevent fungal infections. It belongs to a drug class called azole antifungals. 2. Fluconazole is commonly used for vaginal yeast infections, candidiasis, oral thrush, oropharyngeal candidiasis, esophageal candidiasis, cryptococcal meningitis, systemic fungal infections, prevention of fungal infections in immunocompromised patients, HIV, chemotherapy. 3. Mechanism of action. How it works. Fluconazole works by inhibiting ergosterol synthesis. Ergosterol is an essential component of the fungal cell membrane. Without ergosterol, the fungal cell membrane becomes weak. Fungus dies. This mechanism makes fluconazole fungi-static, meaning it stops fungi from growing. 4. Available forms. Fluconazole comes in tablets, 50 mg, 100 mg, 150 mg, 200 mg, capsules, oral suspension, IV injection. 5. Dosage depends on the type of infection. Vaginal candidiasis 150 mg single dose, oral thrush 100, 200 mg on day 1, then 100 mg daily for 7 to 14 days. Esophageal candidiasis 200 mg on day 1, then 100, 200 mg daily for 14 to 30 days. Cryptococcal meningitis 400 mg on day 1, then 200, 400 mg daily for 6 to 8 weeks. Prevention, prophylaxis, 200 mg daily. 6. Side effects. Common side effects: headache, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, diarrhea, dizziness, skin rash. Serious but rare side effects: liver toxicity, severe allergic reaction, QT prolongation, heart rhythm issue. 7. Contraindications. Avoid fluconazole if you have allergy to azole antifungal, severe liver disease, you are taking medications like terfenadine, cisapride, certain antiarrhythmics. 8. Drug interactions. Fluconazole interacts with warfarin, phenytoin, carbamazepine, sulfonylureas, rifampicin. Birth control pills may reduce effectiveness. 9. Fluconazole in pregnancy not recommended in first trimester due to risk of birth defects. A single 150 mg dose is generally considered low risk. Always consult a doctor before use. 10. Pharmacology class. Triazole antifungal, half-life 30 hours, metabolism minimal, liver metabolism, excretion mostly through kidneys, action inhibits fungal CYP450 enzyme, stops ergosterol formation.